Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover DaVinci Resolve project. So if you accidentally deleted or removed a DaVinci Resolve project, or you have lost your project accidentally, then I will show you how you can fix that. First, you have to locate where your DaVinci Resolve project files are located in your file manager. Once you've located your project files, all you have to do is copy the path by clicking on the search icon on the top and copy the location of your folder. Once you have done that, all you have to do is open the DaVinci Resolve once again, and then you have to click on Add Project Library on the bottom. From here, you have to select Connect and type any name for your project. You can type anything, it doesn't matter. And then you have to click on Browse, and then you have to paste your file location on the top. And you have to click on Select Folder. And then all you have to do is click on Connect. And after that, you have successfully recovered your project files in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.